If you spent $1 million every single day, it would take you 2,700 years to go broke. That is the mathematical scale of $1 trillion. To anchor that in modern reality, you are worth more than 4 Jeff Bezoses combined. The immediate consequence of this wealth is the total destruction of your anonymity. Your face is now on every screen in every country. Hundreds of strangers stand outside your window right now, some with cameras, some with signs, others just staring up at your building. The outside world has transformed into an active threat. Your existence now requires immediate, heavy physical defense. You hire a full detail of 12 operators, trained for 24-hour rotating shifts. This is the level of protection usually reserved for sitting presidents. You buy the entire Bugatti company for $2 billion. This represents 0.2% of your net worth, a rounding error your accountants log without a second thought. To find a place to sleep, you acquire a 14-acre compound hidden behind iron gates and private roads. A staff of 63 people, housekeepers, chefs, and IT security, runs the property like a machine. Normal life is impossible. Even a trip to a coffee shop requires a 45-minute security clearance. You buy a Boeing 747, gutted and rebuilt into a flying residence, just to move through the world without touching it. You have used your wealth to perfectly secure your safety. In the process, you have successfully and permanently walled yourself out of human society. Your old relationships begin to warp under the gravity of your wealth. When your college roommate visits the compound, he becomes a careful yes man. He agrees with everything you say and laughs at jokes that aren't funny, terrified to push back on the man holding $1 trillion. The legal system becomes an unavoidable toll. In 6 months, you face 17 lawsuits. Your legal budget crosses $40 million. You settle cases because fighting in public costs more than the check. But every settlement invites 5 more claims. Beyond the physical gates, your net worth forces every human interaction into a calculated financial transaction. Intimacy becomes a source of paranoia. When you meet someone new, you find yourself watching her for signs that she researched your life before your first date. You wonder if she likes you, or if she simply likes the access to your island and your jet. Proximity to you is destructive. A waiter sells a photo of your dinner date to a tabloid, and her private life is erased overnight. Her name and face are broadcast everywhere, inviting threats from strangers who know where she lives. Family bonds break next. You pay off your brother's mortgage to help him, and the wealth gap creates a resentment that stops him from looking you in the eye. At a holiday dinner, he sits at the far end of the table and leaves before dessert without saying goodbye. You have become a radioactive asset. Getting close to you guarantees the destruction of a normal life, forcing the perimeter of trust to shrink to zero. The final breach happens inside your own home. Your security team catches a trusted housekeeper selling information to a gossip column. You watch from a second-story window as she is escorted off the property with her belongings in a cardboard box. At 3 a.m., the compound is utterly silent. The 60-seat theater is dark, the library is empty, and security cameras adjust to track your movement through the corridors. Over 60 people work here, but you are the only one who lives here. You walk out onto the wet grass and look at the stars. It is the same sky you looked at when you were broke. The stars haven't moved, but everything underneath them has. $1 trillion bought you a flawless, highly staffed prison. Now you are the only inmate left to occupy it.